Welcome to Family Gamer TV. The Sims is one of the most successful video game series of all time, and The Sims 4, which is due out in early September, should be no different. With the Create a Sim demo available for free from Origin and the build demo playable at a recent Games Expo, we took a look at what The Sims 4 is actually like to play. The Sims 4 has a special relationship with Gamescom, which is a huge games industry event that takes place every year in Germany, because last year's event, Gamescom 2013, was where EA first showed gameplay footage of the game. Family Gamer TV was there this year too to check out the game now that it's only a few weeks away from release. It's coming out on September 2nd in North America and September 5th if you're in the UK. The rows and rows of machines here are all running the Create a Sim demo, but you can also play the build mode, or some attendees could, at Gamescom. You can see here the player is using the new build mode tool to drag walls out from rooms to make them bigger. This is a new feature that's kind of improved on how build mode worked in The Sims 3. You can see each room that you're working on is outlined in white to make it obvious which room you're changing, and you can just drag the walls to increase the room without having to delete the walls and then rebuild them further away. One of the cleverest things about this new tool is the way that objects and other things in the room move as you're moving the walls. So you can't, it's not just expanding the room itself, all the objects move as well to fill in the space. So if you've got, say, like sofas and chairs against a wall, when you move that wall to make the room bigger, the sofas and chairs will move as well. They won't just leave a huge gap behind it. Which is a pretty neat trick. It shows the kind of level of intuition they're going for with this game. And one of the things you can also see is you can see down at the bottom the new build mode menu. This will allow you to do things like paint the walls different colours really easily, play with the roofing tools as the player is doing here, so you can just select what kind of roof you want and add it to the different sections of roof that you've got. Again, it's designed to make the game really intuitive for new players, as well as to solve some of the problems that players who are used to the older Sims games will be used to. Now, in the build mode as well, there is also this kind of new catalogue feature along the bottom where you can just insert pre-built rooms into your house. Now this is one of the things that makes this new build mode really good for me, or players like me. I don't particularly like building houses. I tend to just spend ages making my Sims and making their personalities and things, and then just dropping them into a pre-built house because I can't be bothered to spend ages and ages building the house by myself. But the way they've made it so easy, as you can see here, to kind of delete features and add new features in the build mode is really helpful. You can just drop in entire rooms if you need to add like a new bathroom, or you need to add a new bedroom if your Sims have had another baby or something. You can just add it in. It's kind of like a modular, almost IKEA style design, just kind of adding rooms onto the side of your building, dragging the walls out to make them bigger, things like that. It's all very simple and very intuitive. You can also see from this screen a hint of what the world will be like in the new Sims 4. So you can see all the kind of foliage and stuff that suggests what this particular neighbourhood will be like. Now, all of these players, of course, are just playing the Create a Sim demo, which is now available for free on Origin. So if you want to try it for yourself, you can go and download it now, though only on PC. It's not available for Mac at the moment. You can see these players looking at the new clothes that are available, and playing around with the skin tools, so you can make your green skinned Sim, as you can see here. They've also made a huge effort to provide lots of different kind of ethnicities in The Sims. Of course, you could always make your Sims have different coloured skins, but they've gone in and really tried to have some really good templates for different kind of hairstyles, bone structures and things that you might find in different races and different cultures across the world. So hopefully that will be reflected in more diverse lineups of Sims that people are creating in their games. As you can see along the wall, however, these symbols suggest that personality is more important than looks, and unfortunately we won't be able to get to find out what those personality traits and things are like and how they affect gameplay until the game comes out in the first week of September. So stay tuned for our review when we've got a copy of the game. Subscribe to Family Gamer TV if you want to know as soon as we've got it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.